Hey friends, how are you? We are here to save some money, and it's probably going to be a pretty quick video because I do not have a lot at all. I have $28 from my budget. Yes, 28. That's all I could spare. And guess what? It's better than nothing. So we're going to save it. $28 here, and then this was 58 something of rollover that I didn't spend from the last couple weeks. So we're gonna put it all together. We will give it a quick count, and then we're gonna get going. So 20, 40, 55, 65, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 90, no, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $86. Again, not a whole lot of money, but any money being saved is better than no money being saved, right? So pop that in there and let's get going. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to try to get to everything. I probably will get to everything, just not, just maybe only do one on everything, but we'll see. All right, so this first one is the Happy New Year scratch off from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. And I don't know how much this adds up to. I hope it's a low number. Let's see. Let's go for this one right here. Yes, a 2. Okay, perfect. I am using this to save for my quarterly sewer bill, which is $80, and I'm gonna need it, I guess, by March at some time. So I'm saving it slowly, and we're gonna add $2, 1 and 2, and so now we have 25, 26, 27, 28. So again, super duper slow savings, but it's fine. We don't need it until the end of March. All right, next for medical, we are playing my game, Snowball Fight. This is available in my Etsy shop, and I like it. I think it's super fun. So with this game, you get your tracker here, and then you get your little cards, and your cards dictate like what you're gonna do in the snowball fight. So I'm just gonna give them a quick little shuffle here. So far, I have not been hit by any snowballs, and I also have not fallen down yet. So let's see what we could do. If we could get if we could hit them 2 more times, then we win. So let's see. Okay, 1 snowball. So the tracker has all your instructions on it as you play. So when I throw a snowball, I color in a circle for the amount of snowballs that I threw, which in this case is just 1. And then you save $1 per snowball you throw. So $1 going in, and I'm just gonna go 1 more time. I really want to go a few more times, but again, because I don't have a lot of money today, just 1 more time. So okay, yay, bam, that means we hit them. And so what you do is fill in a circle under them and save $2. And what this means, you guys, is we only have 1 more hit to them until we win. I promise I don't cheat. I mix up these cards every time I play. You could play where these are the ones I picked, set them to the side, and then go. That way you get through all of the cards, but I don't. I mix them in every time because I think that makes it more fun. And yeah, I promise I'm not cheating. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. 21, I think I'm going to take a 5 out of here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I thought those might be sticking together. So let me take a 5 just because I'm running low on 1s. And so 10, 15, 21. All right, yay. So maybe next time we might hit them 1 more time and we might end the game. We will see. I love this because the outcome is going to be different every time, just depending on the cards you pick and everything else. The amount you save is going to be different every time, and so I think that's part of the fun of it. Okay, let's throw that in. Next, saving for my dog Penelope. This is from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. This was actually her Christmas card this year. And I'm probably just gonna go once. let's see, a 4. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Again, I do need to book her vet visit, but I'm a slacker. So let's add 4. Let's see, we have a 1. I'm gonna take out a 1 and put in a 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, $17, and this is a $40 challenge. So we're almost halfway with that one. Next is school or kids, and so this one is a challenge from Ren over at Mischief Manage Budgets. It's a $50 challenge, and I have 10 in here now, so I don't think the numbers are going to be too big. Let's go here, another 4. Okay, I'm good with that. Again, this is going to be a slow one. The kids don't need anything right now. So let me add 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 going in. And so we now have 14 out of the 50. How have you all been? Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I don't have any plans for this weekend, but let me know what you all are up to. Okay, so we are starting a new challenge. Yay! So this savings challenge I'm doing for the consignment sale, and I saw these little hearts in my stash of savings challenges. These are from Ren over at Mischief Manage Budgets. Look how cute these are, you guys. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I don't know what they add up to or anything, but we're just going to do them slowly, just like I did with the last scratch-offs that were in here. So let's just do Love Bug, because my kids are my little love bugs. And I'm probably just going to do 1 scratch. $2. I want to go again. Should I go again? I should. I'm going to. Let's see. 7. I just knew it. I literally knew it. Okay, so that's okay though, because I do need to get to my goal of 300 by April. So we're going to put $9 in here today. And let's see. I'm trying to see if I have a prop or a real 10, but I don't. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take out 11 and I'm going to put in 20. So there we go. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 139, I believe that is. So we are a third of the way there, which is very nice. Once I'm done with this, I will probably just continue saving for the fall one, because even though the sale isn't till, I don't know, September, October, again, saving it over a longer period of time just means I have more time and could save slowly, and you know, that's always helpful to have more time. All right, next we're saving for my emergency fund, and I'm just doing small little challenges each time just to give my emergency fund a little bump. And so this one is from Ellie on Earth. It's a $50 challenge. Let's go here. And it's a 5. I feel like I'm getting all the high numbers today when I have no money. I mean, they do have to be done at some point anyway, but I want the low numbers today. Okay, $5 going in. So we now have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 here out of 50. So still a ways to go with that one. And last but not least, in this binder, we're starting a new challenge for birthdays. Now, the last time I did my challenges, I finished Ren's cards, and I was looking for a new challenge to put in here, and I just grabbed the toast one from Liz because I just didn't want to spend forever looking. And so I just popped that in there, which I do love that challenge. But I was organizing my challenges and I found this one. And so I'm going to actually do this one first. It's a $50 challenge. This is from Save with Tess. I believe she sent this to me in my birthday card, which was so nice of her. And so we're going to do this one. Actually, my birthday is coming up, you guys. If you didn't know, my birthday is March 3rd. So that is like less than a month away now. That's craziness. And I will be 39. Will I be 39 or 38? I think I'll be 39. I literally do not know how old I am. I literally don't. No, I think I'll be 38. Oh my God, I don't know my own age. I have to ask my husband. I think I'm going to be 38. Yeah, I think that's right. Wow. Okay, wow. I should probably edit all of that out, but you guys know I won't. Like, this is just me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, let's continue because that's crazy. All right, $4. That's all I'm gonna do. I cannot believe that. Literally cannot believe that. All right, let's pop that back in there. $4. One. I don't have any more real ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is okay with me. So $4 to start that off. And again, it's a $50 challenge, so it shouldn't take too long to finish. Let's see. I just keep this little pen loop on here just to keep the binder a little bit closed. That's all it's for, because I just had these laying around, and so I figured I'd actually use them for a little bit. All right, let's go to the last binder, which is the large challenges. And again, I had this one also. And let's see, we have the vacation and dots and dice. I'm going to start with dots and dice. I might only do one roll because I do want to put as much as possible in vacation as usual. So this one is my challenge, once again available in my shop. So with this, you get your little instruction card here. You get your 6 color cards, and then you get a color dot dice, which I do need to get. All right, we're good to go. We have our dice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it, and that's gonna tell us what color card we are gonna scratch. Red. Okay, let's see. We have not scratched red yet. Now, once you roll, you can scratch any dot here on the red card. So I think I'm just gonna go in the corner because for some reason it's calling to me. Oh, $9. Okay. Yeah, that's all we're going to do is the 9. This challenge, once I get done with it, is going to go towards my Skelly Savings Challenge book, which is $1,000 plus, the whole book. And so this is going to, however much I save with this is just going to help me like do a big stuffing of that book. So we're going to add 9. Let's see, I have a 10 here, and I'm going to pull out a 1. And we currently have 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 59 in there. And everybody is going to save a different amount with this because you choose a number. You have times where you save any amount of your choosing. So yeah, everybody is going to save a different amount with this. But if I had to guess, I would guess somewhere around 200. I'm just pulling that out of the air, literally. I really don't know. But I feel like for the rainbow challenges, that's kind of like the going rate, I guess you'd say. Okay, so last but not least, we are going to do our 2024 book. This is by Carmen over at The Humble Budgeter. Let's see where we left off. I did go back and scratch everything off to clean it up. Okay, we're here on this $60 page. Let's see what we have left. 20, 30, 5, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 46. So we're going to put $46 in here. I wonder if we could finish this. 46. I'm going to put it on my calculator, and I'm just going to scratch and subtract as I go. And then we will be finished. It's not a long video today, -10, just because I didn't have a lot of money, but that's okay. Like I said, any money saved is good money, right? So a 1, we like that. I have $27 left. A 4, a 3. We might finish it, you guys. Ooh, not with 10s. All right, we have $10 left. I could do the bonus and not have an IOU. I could scratch because all the numbers are between 1 and 10. But I think what I want to do is actually go back to the puzzle piece page and color in some of that. All right, so I got that all cleaned off. I scratched off all of the like remaining stuff there to clean that up a little bit. And let's go back to the puzzle piece page and color some of that in because I have a long way to go on this one. Okay, so we have $10. Let's see what we want to do. I, of course, want to do the big numbers. So I have a 4 here. And no, my coloring is not great. It's fine. These markers are not fine tipped, so they're hard to get into the little spaces. Let's do this other 4 down here. And then we have a 2 left, so let's just do this 2 right here, and then we will be finished. And this money, as I said, is all going towards a vacation. We are going on a cruise in April, just my husband and I, and so it's getting down to the wire, you guys, of needing this money. So yeah, it's gonna be here before you know it. I'm so excited. I absolutely cannot wait. Okay, let's add this money in, see where we're at, and then I will let you go. Okay, it's getting really thick, you guys. I love it. So again, it adds up to 2024. Actually, it adds up to more because I've been doing the bonuses. So we have 100, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 900? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Was that 916? Wow. We're almost halfway there, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That makes me so happy. And the reason I'm so like far ahead with this is because I just prioritize it. I leave most of my savings challenge money every single time for my big challenge, my vacation challenge, because vacation is just a priority to me. So that's just the truth. All right, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me till the end of the video. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend. I am gonna go ask my husband how old I am and get made fun of for the rest of my life. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.